Hello, and welcome, dear listener. This is Leo Darren, and I'm truly grateful that you've chosen to spend a few quiet moments with me today. In this episode, we'll talk about something that sounds almost magical. Learn English when you sleep. Is it possible? Is it science or just a dream? Let's explore this idea slowly, honestly, and with an open mind. Moon. What does learn in your sleep mean? To begin, let's clarify something. When people say learn while you sleep, they usually mean listening to audio content like English vocabulary, sentences, or conversations while sleeping or just before sleep, hoping the brain absorbs the information. But can your brain really learn when you're not awake? The answer is both yes and no. Let's understand why. Brain. What science says. Modern neuroscience shows that the brain remains active during sleep, especially during a stage called slow wave sleep, that deep, calm phase when your body rests and your brain organizes memories. Some studies suggest that listening to certain types of audio before or during sleep can help strengthen memory, especially if you've already studied the material while awake. So, is it learning from zero? No. But is it a way to reinforce and review what you already learned during the day? Absolutely, yes. RP. Passive repetition, helpful or not? Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you study 20 new English words in the evening. You understand them, maybe write them down, or use them in sentences. Now, when you go to bed, you play a recording of those same 20 words with translations, softly, gently, on repeat. What happens? You're not learning brand new information, but your brain might revisit, strengthen, and store what it already saw. This is called passive reinforcement, and in language learning, it can help a lot. Learning isn't just about adding new information, it's about processing, connecting, and saving what you've learned. When we sleep, our brain sorts important versus unimportant info. It organizes words, grammar rules, and phrases we practiced. It builds stronger neural pathways for memory. So, sleep itself, even without any audio, helps language learning. But adding gentle, targeted listening during sleep could give an extra boost. Now, if you're curious to try this method, here's what I suggest, not as an expert, but as a humble learner like you. Simple English sentences, like, "This is my book." "Where is the station?" "I am learning English." Vocabulary with translations. For example, dog, beautiful. Calm conversation practice. Not too fast, not too loud. Repetition. Repeating the same content each night helps more than changing it daily. And remember, it's best to listen after you've studied the same material during the day. Here are 5 humble tips I found useful. Keep the volume low. Your sleep is more important than anything else. Use a sleep timer. Maybe set the audio to play for 30 to 60 minutes, not all night. Use calm voices. Avoid music or loud effects that disturb your rest. Combine with daily learning. Sleep learning is a helper, not the teacher. Stay patient. Improvement takes time, but the results come. My dear listener, I want to remind you, there are no shortcuts in learning, but there are smart ways to support your progress. Listening to English while you sleep won't make you fluent overnight, but it can gently guide your mind, help consolidate your memory, and make your journey easier over time. And above all, take care of your sleep. A healthy brain learns better, awake or asleep. Thank you for spending this time with me. Whether you are walking, resting, or already drifting into sleep, I hope you feel calm, curious, and inspired. This is Leo Darin wishing you peaceful nights, joyful learning, and meaningful progress. Until next time, good night and keep learning.